Greetings, fellow knights. It's Page Doran, soon to be known as Squire Grass. I'm here to present my presentation about grass. Let's get right into it then. Woohoo! And my fucking Chromebook died. Hold on a minute. Technical difficulties. Anyway, yes, here we go. Okay. Grass. The lawn kind, not the kind you smoke, you fucking retards. Poke or Gramineae are the grass family's scientific names. Grasses are flowering plants that can either be annual, which means they come from new seeds every year, or perennial, growing back from roots already in the ground. Grasses cover a good portion of the Earth's surface. The anatomy of grass. Grasses often have underground stems that are very long, a few meters. These underground stems can sometimes run horizontally. The stems of grasses are usually hollow, and the leaves are attached at swollen points called nodes. I've got a few nodes. The grass flower is called a spikelet. The flowers are so tiny that petals are microscopic. Hundreds of them are usually found and arranged in a clump or structure known as an inflorescence. There are about 600 genera and 10,000 species of grass, making it one of the most diverse plant families, including the short herb grass that grows in backyards. Other types of grass include bamboo, which can grow to over 130 feet tall, wheat, rice, and corn. Grasses have diversified and are present all over the world. Grasslands span 52 million square kilometers, or 40.5% of the Earth's landmass, including Greenland and Antarctica. So these are the different types of grasslands. We've got closed shrublands, open shrublands, woody savannas, grasslands, tundra, and non-grassland areas. Let me zoom out so you can see that a little better. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Next slide. The history of grass. Fossils of grasses have led scientists to believe they appeared during the early Tertiary period, about 65 million years ago, which was the beginning of the Cenozoic era, right after the Mesozoic era and the dinosaurs. During the Mesozoic era, ferns and other shrubbery dominated our landscape, so no grass for the dinosaurs. They didn't get high. About 9,000 years ago, or approximately 700 BC, or BCE if you're a faggot, humans began to plant and cultivate wheat and barley in the Near East, Saudi Arabia and surrounding countries, often called the Fertile Crescent, when referred to at this time period. By about 400 BC, rice was being grown in Asia, corn in Central America, and sorghum and millet in Africa. Europeans joined in around the end of BC, and began growing oats and rye along with wheat and barley, which they were already growing. Grass at home. The grass that you are probably more familiar with is the short-bladed variety found in your yard. Some species of this kind of grass include Bermuda, blackjack, buffalo, gulf green, kiku, and alambera. Different species of grass require different amounts of shade, mowing, and lawn care. There are many websites you can go to for helpful lawn care. Here are a few examples. Buffalo grass, that's this one, has a high shade tolerance and grows slowly. Mowing in summer should only happen twice a week. Kikuyu grass needs full sunlight and it grows fast. It must be cut at least once a week. That's that one there. Like buffalo, alambera has a high shade tolerance and grows slowly, and if you cut it too short, it will die out. Bermuda is an aggressive grass that grows fast in full sun and has a deep root system. It can be mowed often and very short. Using fertilizer on grass. To ensure for the healthiest lawn and grass fertilizer should be used during springtime. I found this helpful picture from the Home Depot that deals how much fertilizer one should use on one's lawn depending on what kind of lawn you have. Here in good old Wisconsin, we should use only 1 to 2 pounds of fertilizer per 1,000 meters. 1,000 square feet. Grasses and weeds that inhibit grass growth. Oats and rye were originally weeds in European wheat and barley fields until about 2,000 years ago when they began growing them separately. Other weed grasses include, but are not limited to, annual bluegrass, wild garlic, foxtail, barnyard grass, goosegrass, and crabgrass. Global warming's effect on grass. As the climate changes, many plant species may become extinct or move to another area more suitable somehow. Many species cannot adapt or change fast enough to survive. Many plant communities may be invaded by alien species and be choked out if they cannot keep up with the change. Grasses, however, are a very diverse family. As mentioned before, there are about 10,000 species. The variety of grass species will allow them to continue to thrive despite climate change. Also, many grasses are grown for human consumption, and we would find a way to maintain their survival. Things that eat grass. Grasses are actually a good food source for many grazing animals, such as cows, buffalo, and the like. Humans actually consume a lot of food derived from grasses. In fact, grains from cereal grasses make up about half of all food consumption by the human race. Grasses are also the source of about 2/3 of the collective human diet. Foods that come from grasses include oats, rye, rice, corn, sugar, and many other grains. Even cereal is mostly made of grains, and therefore grasses. Sports played on grass. Many sports fields use a combination of kikuyu and Bermuda grass. These grasses have a high traffic rate due to their aggressive growth rates. They recover quickly and can be mowed to whatever length suits the sport, such as golf, very, very short, soccer, longer, or football, shorter than soccer grass but longer than golf grass. And here are some nice pictures of grass. If you can see, I'll move the camera just a little bit, there we go. You can see the nice picture of some grass things there. And here are my citations. Thank you for watching this presentation about grass. I'm Squire Grass, and I approve this message.